Hello everybody, welcome to today's episode of Scratch the Itch. Now I do apologise, but I have forgotten the lucky coins. It's okay, I found them. There they are. No need to start the video again. Right, so welcome to today's fantastic episode of Scratch the Itch. Now I hope the weather's a little bit better where you lot are. It's a little bit atrocious down here in the extreme southwest, but then that's the point about living in the southwest. It can get a little bit extreme. The stars of today's show. We have a £45 scratch consisting of £5 scratch cards, ladies and gentlemen. We have 3 of the 100 million cash spectacular. Show record for these bad boys is £40 in prize value and 8 wins on a ticket. We have 3 of the fast cash 500s. Show record for these bad boys is £500 in value and 15 wins on a ticket. And last but not least, we have the Blue Millionaire 7s. Show record for these bad boys is 30 quid, I believe. 6 wins on a ticket. It might be 40, I could be wrong on that one, don't hold me to that. So without further ado, let's get on and try and break some more records, ladies and gentlemen. I do like to break records. Right, first off, let's go with a fasty cashy 500. Let's see if we can't get £505 out of one of these bad boys. Okay, so having marinated the lucky pound coin with the lucky £2 coin, even if this has got 50% of the luck the £2 coin had, or if it being a £1 coin, I think you'll find it balances out to even. Because after all, it's 50% the value of the £2 coin, so 50% of the luck means it should equal in luck. You see what I've done there, ladies and gentlemen? You see how we've done that? It's good, isn't it? Look at that, see? Straight in, there's a track. Told you, this coin it's got at least 50% of the luck that was in this £2 coin, but because this is half the value, the 50% makes it just as lucky. You see what I'm saying to you, ladies and gentlemen? Magic, eh? Magic maths, that is. Right, so the first one's a winner. Is the second? No. Disappointing. Must admit, disappointed. When the first one's a winner, I always get a little bit excited that we now have a massive card of wins again. But obviously not. But the very first scratch on the very first was a winner, so you can't go wrong with that, ladies and gentlemen. That, you know what I mean? The very first scratch on the very first card was a winner. There you go, proving the point that the lucky pound coin is just as lucky as the £2 coin. And the marination process has worked. Well, the only way that this can get any better is if that track's worth 500 quid. Would be nice, wouldn't it? That would be a good little win. I was hoping to have more than one. When that first one comes out and there's a win, you know what I get like? I'm all like, wow, what sort of card is this going to be? But I didn't allow myself to get carried away with it today because we've been disappointed a few times in the past with the same sort of process, you know? I'm just glad when we get a win. So it goes to show that the process has worked. Okay, so that was the only win. The very first one that we scratched was the only win. At least it's a win. £5, ladies and gentlemen. £5. Very first card, £5 in. Not going to argue with that. It could be a lot worse. Okay. Winning numbers are 3, 13, 14, 21 and 23. That is an 11. That is a 2. That is a 12. That is a 28. And that is a 20. That is a 9. And that is a 27. That is an 8. And that is a 04. That is a 17. That is a 26. That is a 07. That is a 10. That is a 15. That, ladies and gentlemen, is an 18. So we don't have any wins on that one, I'm afraid. No, wasn't really paying attention, but pretty sure there's no wins on that one. Right, let's go back to a fast cash 500 to see if we can get a few more wins on these. Okay, winning symbols by the looks of it are a flag, a pot of gold, a track, a key, and a timer. That's a trainer. That is a boat. That is a note. That is a treasure chest. And that is another boat. 2 boats to go with a note. That is a helicopter, a limo, a helmet, a car, and a stack. Ladies and gentlemen. Right in the bottom corner is a wheel. That is a diamond, a gold bar, a thunderbolt, and a volt. Not having much luck since his first card. The very first one's always a winner, and then it lets us down from there on out. Although it's not over yet. It's not over yet, ladies and gentlemen. Such a promising start to the show. The very first scratch was a win. This feels like a bit of an anti-climax. Okay, wheel, treasure chest, aeroplane, flag, and a trainer. That is a timer, a car, a track, a note, and a key. A thunderbolt, a pot of gold, a helicopter, a boat, and then in the bottom corner is an aeroplane. So no wins on that. Okay, let's try one of the 100 million cash spectacular, shall we? Quite a close grouping of numbers by the looks of it. 8, 16, 23, 25 and 26. 24, yeah, would be, wouldn't it? In between 23 and 25. 27 is going to be one of those cards that 18, 2 and 6. Basically it gives you pretty much what you need but not what you need. 16, 15, see? 14, you know what I mean? There's 6, there's 16, there's the 1 missing off it. Very close but not close enough. 7, 8, 0, 4, 0, 9, 8, 20, 10, 13, typical, and 19. Right, let's do one of the Blue Millionaire 7s first. Such a promising start to the show. Very first one. And downhill quick from there. Right, wads. We're looking for a wad. That's a safe, that's a case, and that's a necklace. 4 and a 6. 6 and a 3, 1 and a 2, 4 and a 2, sapphire and a banknote, banknote and a silver bar, gold key and a sapphire, 26 plays 28, 12 plays 24, and 19 plays 21. Of course it does. Right then. Let's try this last 100 million cash spectacular a minute. See if this last one of the 3 isn't a win after all. That is why we buy 3 at a time. Random set of numbers: 12, 15, 20, 22 and 25. Oh, quite mid-range really. Right, 21, 17, 02, 28, 13, no, 12 is what we needed, wasn't it? 22, 22, 22, 22, yes, we have a winner. Looks like a fiver from here. 11, 23, 04, 06, 10, 09, 29, 27, and number 19. So then, without further ado, it's a £5 tickety boo. Pop that up there. That's 1 win from each game so far. Typical, they're just a fiver, but there you go. Better than nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we can get a win out of the Millionaire 7. So we're looking for a safe. That's a chest, gold bars, and a handful of cash. 5 under 6, 2 under 6, 3 under 1, 4 and a 5. No Winsky on this one so far. Pound and a crown, sapphire and a pound, gold key and a star. 27 plays 28, of course it does. Nice strong number, gets beaten by an even stronger number. 16 and 26, 18 and 19. One card left to go for the show, ladies and gentlemen. One card left to go. So, looking for a 7 in the top box. No 7s. Fingers crossed. No fingers crossed. Okay, looking for a wad. Looking for a wad. Those are gold bars. That's a treasure chest. And that's a safe. 1 under 3. 5 under 6. 1 under 4. 2 and a 6, ladies and gentlemen. It's not going well with these millionaire 7s today. 2 games left to play. Banknote and a pound. Purse and a crown. Crown and a starlet. Last chance, 17 and 21, 25 and 26, and the very last game, 23 and 25. So, the stars of today's show are as follows: a £5 win and another £5 win, so that's £10. Kiss of coins for luck. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please remember to like for luck, and I peace out. See you tomorrow.